Is your Android backup taking forever? Maybe it says backing up, but the progress barely seems to move. Before you cancel it or factory reset your phone, there are a few things you should check. In this video, I'm using the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but most of these troubleshooting steps apply to Android phones in general. So here's why this matters. Imagine you're about to switch phones or factory reset your current phone. If your backup hasn't finished, some of the information you expect to restore may not be available on your new device. So the goal isn't to make it finish faster. The goal is to make sure the important data is actually protected. Okay. All right. First, let's find out what your phone is actually trying to back up. So on this S25 Ultra, open your settings and then go to Google. Excuse me, Google services here. Google services. And from here, look for backup. So you find that when you go here first, all services, and you go down to backup. Okay. Depending on your software version, the wording or location can be slightly different. So if you have another Android phone, the easiest shortcut is to open settings and then search backup. Okay, so don't assume that a backup that takes a long time is necessarily broken. So if you have a lot of photos, videos, apps, or other data, there may simply be a lot of information to process. Okay, look at this. There simply maybe just be a lot of look at my photos, 212 gigabytes, something like that. Right? So fix number one, check Wi-Fi. Check your Wi-Fi. All right. So the first thing I'll check is your internet connection. Backup depends heavily on your connection, especially when you're dealing with a large amount of data. So open your settings, go to your settings and to your connections, and then Wi-Fi. Oh, not that one, this one, Wi-Fi. Open your Wi-Fi and make sure you connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. All right. If websites and videos are also loading slowly, your backup probably isn't the only thing having trouble. All right. Now, and remember, the speed you're getting from internet provider isn't necessarily the same as the upload speed your backup is experiencing. Okay. Fix number two, keep the phone charging. All right. Next thing you do, plug your phone into a charger and leave it connected to a Wi-Fi. Okay, this is especially useful if you're performing a large backup before switching or resetting your phone. So you don't want the phone running low on battery halfway through the process. All right. And don't repeatedly cancel and restart the backup just because the progress doesn't appear to change immediately. Fix number three, check Google storage. Now, check Google storage. So if your Google storage is full or nearly full, that can prevent new information from being backed up properly. So open your Google account. You go to settings and you go down again to the Google services here, and now to all services and down to backup here, backup, and check your storage. So you can check your storage. If I tap here now, you see I have 287 giga use, or I have 5 terabytes of storage. All right, so look especially at your, especially at your photos. Look especially at your photos and videos, because they can consume a significant amount of cloud storage. All right, so if storage is the problem, freeing up space, like it's giving me option to, I can free up space here. I can review, freeing up space or upgrading your storage may be necessary before everything can back up successfully. All right, so that's that. Yeah, that's that. Okay, fix number 4, large amounts of data. Here is another reason your backup may appear painfully slow. You've made a lot of changes recently. Maybe you recorded hundreds of videos and you downloaded a lot of photos, and maybe you installed several apps, or you haven't backed up the phone in a long time. So in that situation, the first backup after those changes can take considerably longer. So give it some time before assuming something is wrong. Fix number 5. Don't confuse different backups. Okay, there is another common source of confusion. Android doesn't necessarily put everything into one giant backup. Okay, your device backup, Google Photos, contacts, and Samsung services can handle different types of information. So if Google Photo is still uploading your video, that doesn't necessarily mean your entire phone backup is frozen. All right, so check which service is actually showing the delay before trying to fix it. All right, fix number 6, restart the phone. If you've confirmed that your internet connection and storage are fine, try a simple restart. Restart the phone, reconnect the Wi-Fi, plug it into power, and check the backup status again. This can clear a temporary software or synchronization problem without deleting your data. All right, and then last but not the least, check your software or service problems. Okay, check whether your phone has a pending software update. So on Samsung, to check this on Samsung, go to settings and then down to software update. Yeah, software update here, software update, and then check for updates. So if you tap here, I'm actually checking my updates live. So if everything looks normal on so mine is software is up to date. So if everything looks normal on your phone, but cloud services are having an outage, there's nothing useful you can change locally. You may simply need to try again later. All right, but when should you stop waiting? So when should you actually be concerned? So if the backup has been running for a long time with absolutely no progress, repeatedly fails, or gives you an error message, that's different from a backup that's simply taking a while. So check your internet connection, check your available cloud storage, restart the phone, try the backup again. Okay, so before you switch phones or reset your Android, here is the quick checklist. Wi-Fi is stable, your phone is charged, your cloud storage has enough space, you allowed enough time for a large backup, and you've confirmed that the specific data you need, like photos or contacts, is actually syncing. Once you've checked those things, you're in a much better position to safely switch or reset your phone. Android backup is taking forever. Don't immediately assume your phone is broken. Find out what's actually being backed up check your connection and storage, and give large backups time to finish. And if you're preparing to factory reset your phone, don't do it until you've confirmed your important data is safely backed up. For more practical Android tutorials, subscribe to Tech with Onyi.